Constant contact. How to use it. Good day, folks. I hope everyone is well. Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Constant Contact, and it's an email platform basically that allows you to communicate with your clients, your potential clients, create emails, sign up forms. You can create contact lists, you can segment them. It's got a bunch of tools that are very, very useful. So this is what their homepage looks like. So once you've signed up or you've signed into your account, this is what it looks like. There is no credit card required to sign up. You get a 60-day trial. As you can see over here, I have already signed up, so I have the 60-day trial, and it does give you a countdown, as you can see, and then it also offers you the opportunity to select a plan, which we will get into later on. On this homepage, you can see here that they allow you to start up, so they give you a bit of a tutorial on how to begin to create your account. You also have some of the key features, such as the AI bot that they have to help you write your emails. You can try that out. And then you have all your recent campaigns here. These are all just test campaigns. And then you have the Learning Center. You have some videos, how to add contacts, create emails, attend a free webinar. So that's great. And then right at the bottom, you have your performance chart, and you can just change the days to which the performance chart is showing data of. And that is pretty much the overview of this homepage as you sign in and you create your account. So what we're going to have a look at today is the campaigns that Constant Contact offers you. I'm going to show you how to create an email. I'm going to show you how to create a landing page as well as a sign-up form. And as I said, later on, we'll go through all the pricing of Constant Contact. And if you stay all the way to the end, I've got some bonus tips to capitalize on your Constant Contact experience. So let us get straight in. So right at the top, you have your toolbar, you have marketing campaigns, you have your contacts, reporting, and then you have a bunch of other tools such as all the AI assistants, apps and integrations, a library, and how you can optimize your content using SEO. So we're going to jump straight into the marketing campaign over here, and I'm going to show you how to create an email quickly and easily with Constant Contact. So right over here, you can see on the right hand side, there's a create email. Now, this is a great thing if you don't want to start your email from scratch. You can actually just choose one of the templates, and then you can edit that template to suit your specific needs. So you can see that there are picks for you: holiday templates, news templates, event templates, sales and announcement. If you go down over here, you can see that your templates are all available to you. And for a free version, you have quite a bit of data in terms of the templates that they offer you. You can also import a PDF to email, which is also a good option. And then you have a basic note template, which literally just gives you access to the text feature. So I'm going to go ahead here and I'm going to hover over this template, and we are going to select this template. So you have in the main part of your page your email, and on the left hand side you have everything that you can add to your email, such as text boxes, images. You can add interactive buttons, dividers, spaces, social shares, social follows. You can even add videos, read more tabs, and a data table. You also have some action blocks over here, such as product blocks, event polls, and RSVP blocks. And then you can change the layout right over here. As you can see, there's a heading, a section heading, article, feature article, and the list goes on. So there's really a lot to choose from in terms of what you have here to work with. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to show you one or two of the things that you can do. So for example, when you're actually looking at your email, you can click on any one of the elements and you can change the details, such as the size. You can make that small, medium, or large. You can also change the space in between the icons. You can then also change the alignment, and then you can also change the horizontal padding, the vertical padding, and then you can edit the actual buttons itself. So once you click on edit, you'll see on the left hand side it brings up a bunch of things over here, and you can see now you can change the look and feel, so you can change them to any one of these. And once you've changed them, you can actually further edit them. And if you go into social pages at the bottom over here, you can enter now your URL. You can then also change what it says says over here. So it's either you want to add a LinkedIn or a YouTube icon. So that icon now will change. You can see it has now changed the icon on the actual email. You can then put your URL in there, and I think this is great. It's very interactive and it gives you lots of options. So once you're pretty much done with playing around with the email, you can change everything about it, including the background, the images on the side, as you can see over here. Then you can go up to the top of the screen. On the right hand side there is a continue button. Now once you hit the continue button, you will get into the space where you can start defining who this email is being sent to, and if it is being optimized now for either desktop viewing or mobile viewing. It gives you an example over here, and then you can send a test mail. You can see what it looks like. You can now select the list that it is going to be sent to. You can add additional contacts over here. You will have to verify your email address. You will have to add a physical address, and then your email settings over here. You can see that all these settings have been defaulted for you. But if you're going over to the right hand side, you can tap on edit, and this will take you to the page where you can edit your subject line, your pre-header, who the email is coming from, and then you can select what email address it's coming from as well. Then you can also add in who it's being replied to if you need a reply, and you can just tap on save when you're done with that. Once you are done, you can go ahead and tap on send now, and this email will be sent out to this specific contact list. So now I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page and a sign up form. Now these two work very much hand in hand, so I'm going to create a landing page first. So once you've created your landing page, you will then have the link to that landing page, and you can put it into your sign up form. Your sign up form will be where people enter their email address to subscribe to your newsletter or to be a part of a group. And then what will happen is your landing page is where they will end up once they click on the sign up now button. So this is the landing page, and you can see on the right hand side you can create a landing page. Now once you've created this landing page, so you have the two options. First of all is a sign up landing page, and this is for sign up forms where visitors can join your mailing list. They can also download content or get offers. And then you have the custom landing page. This is a flexible page where you can customize it with your own content and your own design. So we're going to select a template over here, and as you can see you have a large selection. So we're going to just go ahead with this event basic. So as you can see, you have your template over here, and you can add your logo. You can now also add a header image, and then your event title. You can add the month and all the other details. So if you would like to add an additional element on the left hand side, same as the email, you have text, image, buttons, all the way down to action blocks such as events and products. You can then also change the layout. So let us click down on this button, and we're going to drag it over, and where the purple line is, that is where the button will be. So by default it says visit our website. You can now go in here, you can change what it says in there, you can add a link, and then you can change all the other elements about that, and then you can just click on done. There is your added element. And now we can go ahead to the page settings up on the top right hand side, and it'll give you a few more options. So the landing page title, as well as a description, and then the custom URL. This is a quick phrase at the end of your URL to customize it. Then it also gives you the option to include an expiration date and metapixels. This is retargeted users with Facebook ads, and if you want to know a little bit more about that, there is a learn more tab, as well as the Google tracking ID. You can learn more about that there. Once all of that has been defined, you can go up to the top right hand side, you can tap on activate, and now what you will do is you can go into the marketing campaign again up at the top of the toolbar, and you can go down and click on sign up forms. Now this is where we will create a sign up form, and that sign up form will redirect your subscriber to the landing page that we just created. So you can now see that the interface is much the same. Over here you can add your image for your sign up form, you can then also alter what this box looks like over here. So once you click on it, you can add an additional field, but it does stay pretty much basic. On the left hand side, you will have all the other details, so you can change the phone number, address, country, you can add all of those in, and there's a couple other details that you can add in over here. So we're going to leave it exactly the way it is. However, you can select any one of these, and you can fully customize it the way that you would like it. So once you're done, on the top right hand side, you're going to tap on continue again, and then you will get into the page where you can create a list, or you can select a list of people that this will be sent to. So over here you can now include a thank you form. So again, you can add your image just over here. Then you can also just edit the thank you for signing up and we're glad we keeping in touch. So you can change all of those details over there. Once you tap on it, you'll have all the options to change that, as you can see. And then once you are done, again on the top right hand side, you're going to tap on continue. So this page basically gives you an overview of what your sign up form looks like, as well as your thank you page on the left hand side. And then on the right hand side, as you can see, there is some detail that you can add in. You can add in a page title, which is a requirement. You can also add in a description. You can customize your URL, and then there are some advanced options as well, such as an expiration date, third-party analytics, and then you can also hide your page from search engine results. So once that is all done, up at the top right hand side, yet again, we're going to tap on continue, and it says activate landing page. So you need to activate the landing page from which we made previously to allow this sign up form to be active as well. So I'm just going to say cancel for now, but that is how you create your landing page as well as a sign up form. So getting into what you will be getting when you sign up or purchase one of the packages from Constant Contact. So you're going to go into constantcontact.com/pricing. I'll leave a link in the description below, and as you can see here, we have 3 standard packages. We have a light, a standard, and a premium. So the light offers you just the basics, such as a drag and drop email template, the marketing CRM, the event management, social marketing, and integration for third-party services. So that is all great. For $12 a month, it does say that you can change the tiering price. So once you tap on that, it'll offer you the opportunity to see how much it'll cost for a different amount of contact that you have. So if you have 10,000 to 15,000 contacts, you'll be paying $180, and if you are having 40,000 to 45,000 contacts, you will be paying $400 a month. So this is for the light package. So once we go out there, you can also see that there is a tiering price plan for the standard as well as the premium, and over here you can see that these numbers will also change. So the basic amount that you see over here is just the starting price. So the standard price pack does have pre-built automations, which is great. It also gives you contact segmentation, scheduling your emails, A/B testing, and then drill down reporting, which is awesome. And if you have a look at the premium package, you get custom automations, custom segmentations, revenue reporting, which is awesome. You get 500 additional SMS messages so that you can send to your contacts. You get a Google Ads Manager account where you can manage all your ads in your Google Manager ads in your Google Ads Manager, and then you have the SEO recommendations, which is also a lovely added feature. So that bonus tip that I was telling you about earlier on, first of all, we're going to go back to our home page, and we're going to go up here to the toolbar, and we're going to tap on contacts, and we're going to go to segments. Now once you're in segments is a great way to segment different groups of contacts so that you can send specific emails to specific people. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the emails that you are sending to people are relevant to them. So you're going to create subgroups over here, and as you can see, there are already pre-built segments such as most engaged, somewhat engaged, least, and then everyone else. So you can now create a segment just by tapping on the create segment over here, and you can add a block. So you can choose your criteria, and you can then change that to available in your plan explained. So that's a list membership, a contact details or tags, and then if you upgrade, you can actually change the contact activity. So once you've done that, you can then use basically certain groups of people to send certain emails. The second tip is going into your email, and once you've created an email, so we can use this one over here, for example, what you can do is, and this is only available on the standard and the premium package. On the right hand side, instead of sending your email the moment you have created it, you are going to tap on schedule for later. This means that you get to send your email to people when it is most convenient for them to open your email and engage with your email. That means that you are going to get more response and more interaction from the people that you are sending your email to. And your third and final bonus tip is when you are sending an email, you can customize the subject line. So once you go into your email settings, as it says over here, the subject on the right hand side, and once you tap on personalize, you have all these options. So you can now personalize the email subject line. So it says hi, first name or last name, or it can say hi, job title, address, city, state, postal code, or you can pretty much customize that to whatever you want. And you can now tap on OK, and then it'll say hi, first name, or you can put anything else you want to in there, such as do you live in, and then you can select a city or state or a region. And once you save that, you can now personalize your subject line, so when somebody receives an email, it seems as if it's been specifically made only for them, even though you've distributed it over to many people. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, folks. That's how we can use Constant Contact to our advantage. And we'll see you in another video. Until then, goodbye.